Alright guys, so for today's content, we're gonna walk around on a 2021, 2022. So this is my friend Kais. So he got the T10 diffuser with the quad tips, and he also a straight pipe. And then also he has the V1 taillights. Obviously we have the duckbill.
It don't look that bad though. It don't look bad at all.
And chrome delete, and you have a 20 all around. We also have some niche wheels. We have 19 with a 8.5, and also he has the high rev sport caliper, the red caliper right over here. It's kind of dark, I'm sorry. And on top of that, interior wise, the starlights. I'm working on something, guys, so hopefully soon it comes running. And also we have the ambient lights on the door sill. That video is coming out soon. It's just like I've been busy. And we have footwheel. We go inside. On interior, we have a carbon fiber dashboard. My god, now it's making me want to get a 2.0. So anyways, like, yeah, that's just ambient lights, all the products and materials that he have, I have it too, so I'll probably leave all the materials down below by the description box below. And on top of that, it has the mid console carbon fiber trim all around, and it has 20% all around and 35 in the windshield. As you can see, 20 is not that dark. And with the starlights, it's so nice in here, guys. Freaky! You started. Alright, so on the front, we have the 2021 Yofer. As for this one, they didn't put the, what do you call this? The weather strips. And then he also had the Akasaka eyebrows, whatever other people calls it. Chrome delete all around the grill. And then I've been hearing a lot of people getting their sensors out. That's out of the topic, but yeah. But overall, this one, I believe he got this from Airworks store. The fitment is pretty good. It's like on point. You can see right over here. And I've also like installed some cars, lip as well from eBay. They have a little problem when it comes to like fitting on this side, but with this one, it's pretty good actually. So this is set up pretty much. That's what it looks on outside. And obviously this is my car. I'm in slow 0.5. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of thinking of like trading in for a 2.0. Maybe I'll get a 2018 and 2019 2.0 if I find a good one, or maybe I'll go move up to the another 2021 or 2022 and see. I don't know about the fog lights. I still kind of don't like it. And obviously you guys know this one. He has the pedal commander, so Mr. Don't Care. But yeah, so that's our lineup right now, just the three of us. And then backside, obviously we both have a V4s. He has a V1. And also one more thing, he used to have the Suquential light, but then at the same time he said he still has it on, but he just took it off. He unplugged it since he liked this look way better. And as you can see in the back, that's the starlight. And at the same time, follow him on Instagram. He has one of the he has the third fastest record, I swear. He has a stage 3 variable with the PRL intakes. And I have obviously the AEM intake. He has a K&N cold air intake, pretty much like identical in here. So that's pretty much it, guys. Also I'm working on something, and hopefully that once I start to like launch it, and hopefully it turns out good, I'll definitely post it on my Instagram and upload a video and update on that one as well. And I'm also thinking about throwing meet, probably mid-April, or maybe when it gets darker. I mean warmer.
Yo, shut up,